morning, all of you. On this Saturday morning, I welcome you all to this annual CME inaugural ceremony of Association of Industrial Psychiatry of India. I am Dr. M. Aleem Siddiqui from Lucknow. Uh, I'd like to invite on the dais Brigadier Dr. MSVK Raju. He is our dear senior, very respected person, President of Association of Industrial Psychiatry of India. Dr. Raju, welcome.
नहीं, अभी शेयर नहीं करना है, इंट्रोडक्शन ठीक है, अभी शेयर चलिए go on.
Yeah, let me invite other people also, and then we'll go through the introductions at a go. Next is Major General Dr. P.S. Waldia, past President AIP. He's the chief guest. Our respected Dr. Afzal Javed, sir, President of World Psychiatric Association. Welcome, sir. Welcome to this webinar conference. A very hearty welcome to Ms. Soma Mondal, Director of SAIL. Ma'am, please be our guest of honor today. Then I'd like to welcome Dr. Gopal Chandra Kar, past President AIPI. He will inaugurate the session. I would also like to welcome Dr. Bhushan Chaudhary, Secretary of AIPI. I'd like to welcome Dr. Tofan Pati, Chairman of the Organizing Committee and the steward of this ship, Captain of the ship. Then my dear friend, Dr. Amrit Patajoshi, Organizing Secretary. So welcome all the dignitaries to the dais. And Tofan Pati sir, we can start the welcome address.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. Now I request the support staff to share the screen of the presentation I had sent. Yes, this is the inaugural ceremony of annual CME for AIPI and web. And I have the privilege of having all presence of all the dignitaries and your presence in such a morning, waking up early and coming here. Next, please. Next, we have with us President of our Association of Industrial Psychiatry of India, Brigadier MSVK Raju. He is a veteran Armed Forces Medical Services of India. He had been the president of AIPI from 2018 till later. He is also president of Indian Psychiatric Society, president of SARC Psychiatric Federation, and he has International Distinguished Fellow of APA. And with this, I introduce Dr. Brigadier MSVK Raju. I will go for such direction. Welcome, Shah. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Next we have with us Dr. Major General P.S. Baldia. Please focus on Dr. Baldia. He is our chief guest. He is the past president of AIPI and the past senior advisor to Armed Forces Medical Services. He is past consultant to Armed Forces Services, ex-professor and HOD AFMC Pune, past director Institute of Naval Medicine, and past additional director General Medical Services Army. Welcome, Shah, our chief guest. Dr. Baldia?
Yeah, I am here.
Welcome, sir. Next, Dr. Afzal Javed, President of World Psychiatric Association, our guest of honor. He has been kind to share his time to be in the inauguration as well as deliver a keynote address. He is WPA President since October 2020, and he is Chairman of Pakistan Psychiatric Research Association. He is the past President of APA and WPA APR. With this, I welcome Dr. Javed. Next, please.
सर आप पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं.
Dr. Vidyadhar Awatwe, guest of honor, is a consultant psychiatrist.
आपको बोलना है ना इसमें.
He is a past president of IPS.
नहीं, आप नहीं
chairperson of MHC subcommittee of IPS. And most importantly, he is a good actor. His hobbies include theatre and film. He had an important role in Khelia with Dr. Mohan Agase. And he is the recipient of many awards, including Jivan Gaurav Puraskar. Welcome, Shah. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Doctor.
Next, we have with us Ms. Soma Mandal, our guest of honor. She has been kind enough to agree to be here with a such intimation. He belongs to our place. He did initial schooling in Bhubaneswar and graduated from NIT Rourkela. He is Director of Commercial NALCO He became, after that, joining NALCO, and he's a director of commercial of Shell now, and it is heard that she is going to be the chairman of Shell, but I cannot confirm it. He played a significant role in the turnover of the company, that is Shell. He's a member of CYA's National Committee on Steel, the chairperson of CIA Subcommittee of Safeguard for Tariff and Non-Tariff. He loves nature, travel and music. Welcome, madam. Please focus on madam. Next, our inaugurator, Dr. Gopal Chandrakar, past president of AIPI, past president of IPS, professor and HOD SC Medical College, Cuttack, ex-DMET of Odisha, and recipient of Dale and Murthy Rao Rasan. Sure, welcome. Next. We have with us Bhushan Chaudhary, our secretary of AIPI. He is a consultant psychiatrist in Chinchwada, Pune. He is associate professor in psychiatry in D.Y. Patil Medical College Hospital, Pimpri. He has many research publications, and he is the secretary of AIPI. Welcome, and he is here in spite of his illness. He could not, he is ill now, still he has come. Thanks, Bhushan. Next one, please. Dr. Amrit Patujoshi, our organizing secretary. He is professor of psychiatry in High Tech Medical College, Bhubaneswar. He is direct council member of IPS. He is editor of Odisha Journal of Psychiatry, and he is chief coordinator of UNICEF Initiative on Telemedicine. We are together in many activities. I welcome Amrit. Thank you very much. He is the organizing secretary of this event. Next. I also welcome the other members of the BOD of AIPI, our patrons, our national advisors, organizing committee advisors, organizing committee members, master of ceremony in different sessions, including Dr. Alim Siddiqui and Dr. Pallavi Shahu, faculties of e-poster contest, and all the participants. Thank you very much. Next. Thank you all for gracing the occasion. Okay.
Sir, can we now move to the inauguration?
Yes. Please share the video. It's a 32-second video.
Om Bhurvasva Asya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Om Shanti.
Thank you, Dr. Gopalkar sir, for inaugurating the event. Has Dr. Bhushan been able to join us? Tufan sir, has Dr. Bhushan been able to join us now?
He has intimated me that he could not come yesterday because of illness. To be exact, he is on dialysis. He may not make time, we'll call. I think Dr. Raju, is correct. And he is ill. If he does not come, we will skip over.
Yeah, so now I invite Dr.
You can invite him.
I think he's not well, probably. I mean, he would have joined. Okay.
Yeah. So proceed then.
Okay, so now I invite Dr. Vidyadhar G. Vatve. He's our guest of honor for a brief address. Sir, please bless the audience, the gathering. Vatve sir. Please unmute yourself.
Dr. Vatve.
Sir.
Sure.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Good morning to all of you. WA President Abdul Javed Saab, President of the uh, Industrial Secretary, Dr. Brigadier MSVK Raju, all the other dignitaries of the dais, Professor Kar, who was the inaugurator, and friends. I am really honored to be here in the company of all the illustrious psychiatrists who are working so hard in the field of industrial psychiatry. Industrial psychiatry, incidentally, is the only organization which is working in the industry. That's why there is no other thing as Industrial Psychiatric Association. There are associations of industrial psychologists, that is different, but it's the first in the world that we have the Indian Association of Industrial Psychiatry, and I'm really proud to be a member of that, and I'm really honored to be here when you are offering me, you have welcomed me as a guest of honor. Thank you very much, and wish all the best to the conference proceedings for next whole 4 or 5 hours. Thank you very much again.
Thank you so much, Bhatve sir. I'd like to now invite Dr. Afzal Javed, President, WPA. Sir, please bless the audience with your kind words. Please unmute yourself.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, respected Dr. Vadve, Dr. Pati, Dr. Saha, Brigadier Raju Saab, and all the important and very dear friends who are the organizers of this important event. I bring greetings from World Psychiatric Association. And please excuse me for my ignorance because I was never involved or informed about such an important association. Although Brigadier Raju Saab, in his capacity as zonal representative, always mentioned in WPA meetings that there is a very active group in India who is involved in such a brilliant activity. I once again thank the Indian colleagues, friends, and the leaders. They have really set up very important and significant developments in the field of psychiatry, not only in your own country, but also in the region as well as within the international perspectives. Industry or industrial societies or industrial companies are going to have an important role in the field of many areas. But to look after their medical and mental needs is equally important. And as Dr. Vatve was mentioning, this is the first time that an association is playing its important role in highlighting the importance of workplace psychiatry. I'm sure that other associations, especially associations in the SAARC region, will learn from this experience, and it will be very appropriate if the current office bearers and the leaders of Industrial Psychiatric Association can consider expanding their vision and their objectives to the neighboring countries, because this will be another good role model that Indian Psychiatric Society is playing as a leader of the psychiatry profession within the region and internationally. So I once again thank you, and I look forward participating in the sessions and meeting our friends, although this will be a virtual meeting, but it is much better than not meet and see our dear friends. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was so nice hearing from you. I'd like to next invite our guest of honor, Ms. Soma Mondal, Director of SAIL. So she is a leader from the industry herself. Ma'am, please unmute yourself and bless us with your words.
Good morning, Dr. Raju, Dr. Waldia, Dr. Javed, Dr. Vatwa, Dr. Kar, Dr. Chaudhary, Dr. Pati, with whom I have been speaking in the last 1 or 2 times, Dr. Pat Joshi, and all other esteemed doctors in this gathering. I'm really honored to be, I was listening to you all, and I'm really honored to be in this gathering. First, I would like to congratulate you for this annual CME for Association of Industrial Psychiatry of India. And also, I heard that this is the first such association. And it's very important because even in recent times, I have seen my colleagues, they just call it a day, they end their lives. And the teammates don't even realize that the person is going under stress. So this awareness, what you are doing with this is creating awareness and and for us to understand how we can stop all that. If you really look at it, a few years back, we were employees, we were not human resources. Now, if you really consider any corporate, we consider human beings as human resources, and we treat them as much. We treat them like we treat cash flows, we treat mineral resources. So we forget that each individual is different. We forget that each individual has its different capacity. And in this race where we are looking for profitability, we are looking for top line, bottom line, and we are looking at how we are going to compete with our peers, benchmarking ourselves with peers, benchmarking to employees, each person is running after promotions. What is happening is the stress is building up. There are problems at home, there are conflicts at home, conflicts at office. And the basic problem remains is we are not able to really understand or diagnose in the beginning, notice at the beginning that some of our employees are going through some stress. The basic problem maybe is the person doesn't want to come out because of the stigma associated, or also that we want the work to be done, so we don't care whether the person is going through stress. We want the work just to be done. So with this awareness, with your such associations, how much more awareness you can spread, it is our duty as an industry to look into it. And you as doctors, respected doctors, renowned doctors, I think you will also be able to do a lot more in this field. It's nice nowadays, I see a lot of celebrities coming out and telling that they have gone through these problems. So see, any employee going through a mental illness is a loss to the family, like a lot of problems for the family, but loss of efficiency for the company also. So in this background, I'm very happy that such an association is there and such conferences we are doing. And thank you so much for having me. All the best, please. Thank you, Namaskar.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. I think the purpose of the conference would be served by your words, because
तो नहीं लाना
for the industry
हम ले आएंगे
psychiatry.
ठीक है
So I'd now like to President of
हम कर लेंगे
AIPI,
छोड़ दो काम कोई बड़ा काम
respected Brigadier Dr. MSVK Raju. Sir, please unmute yourself and grace the dais.
Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Professor Kar, dignitaries on the dais, distinguished faculty, delegates, and friends. This is a great day today with so many dignitaries attending the CME of the Association of Industrial Psychiatry of India, which is a unique professional body and only one of its kind in the world. The concept of industry has evolved over time. It ranges from producing raw materials, turning the raw material into products, their transport, marketing, maintenance, applying technology to its various sectors, doing research, and finally taking decisions and making policies. We literally exist in a web of industry. Industry and economy are intimately interlinked. A thriving economy ensures good healthcare, nutrition, and education to the people. These are the very factors on which the foundation of mental health is built. Healthy minds at the workplace are more creative, more energetic, more efficient, more motivated, and more productive. The fact that every dollar invested in mental health gives a return fourfold is a universal fact. We have 500 million workers in India. More than 90% of this workforce is in the unorganized sector, less educated, largely unskilled and young. These are the variables we'll have to be taken into account while planning to promote healthy minds at work, whether it is a farm or a factory. We all know that mere absence of mental diseases is not mental health. Every sector of industry may have its own ensemble of psychosocial hazards. We are indeed very proud to have a high representation from psychiatry and industry here today. Professor Afzal Javed, President of the World Psychiatric Association, got up at 4 o'clock in the morning today in UK to join us here. Ms. Soma Mandal is the Director of Sale as well as NALCO, who keeps herself a punishing schedule, came here to share her thoughts with us. Dr. Shatakarni, who is going to speak on the travails of an entrepreneur, is from the pharma industry. He is one of the top technocrats of the pharma industry in India today. Now, taking a cue from this today, this example, taking it as an example, we at the board of the Industrial Psychiatry Association will see to it that these interactions between industry and in the broader sense and us continue in increasing frequency so that we can come to work as a coalition towards promoting healthy minds in industry. It is really heartening to see so many are registered in these days of webinar pandemics. Hope to see you all at the annual conference early next year. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. I'd like to now invite our chief guest, Major General Dr. P.S. Waldia. Sir, please go ahead.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Honorable Brigadier Raju, Dr. Tufan Pati, Professor Gopal Kar, Dr. Vidyadhar Vatve, dignitaries on the dais, various distinguished personalities from abroad, my seniors, my colleagues and friends. I am really thrilled to attend this first annual CME of our association on a digital platform. Thanks, organizer, for that. From the humble beginning in early 80s, our association has become quite big. This is all untiring efforts of our past and present functionaries. I am grateful to them and I thank them from my heart. But a lot is to be done, as President has already brought out the various issues that for big, organizations like that, which is basically linked to the industry's health workers, industry's people's health, mental health. We have to associate ourselves more with the industries. My suggestion is that we should hold the conferences more in the industrial setup. And as we were doing in the past, if the Constitution permits it, that we should make the HR representatives as our associate members in our association. That will help in dealing with the industries better. Dear friends, the present pandemic had created havoc all over the world. India is not spared. It has ruined that mental health, physical health of the individuals, and so also financial health of the countries. We have a big challenge ahead. For this daunting task, we should have to prepare ourselves. And for that, we have to focus our attention towards that industrial workers, their mental health, their socio-economic status, their workplace environment, and their social harmony in them. All these have to be looked into. And our journal should focus on publishing the papers pertaining to this pandemic issues and also suggest certain preventive measures. though there is a lot to talk, but various stalwarts are waiting to speak on the subjects. So I will thank the organizers for inviting me for this conference, and I wish them a big success for that. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I'd like to invite now our inaugurator, Dr. Gopal Chandrakar. Sir, please unmute yourself.
Yes, thank you very much for so nice and kind enough to be in this gathering with me. Chairman Professor Tufan Pati and Professor Brigadier M.S.V.K. Raju, General Baldiaji, and so many important personalities, particularly Javed Saab, who is a very old friend of mine. So he and all other dignitaries those who have been nicely communicated in this place. Industrial psychiatry, I remember AIPI means. The concept came to India by one Dr. A.S.M. Agarwal of Bokaro. He is the parent, he's the mother of this organization to think it like that. Then in Bokaro, as a consultant psychiatrist, he found many cases of absenteeism and addiction problems. And then only he could concept that it is very important. There is a great amount of social drift at that time in 1985. There is a great amount of social drift from the urban to from the rural area to the urban population. And that made a economic contest. And that's why many people started suffering from psychiatric problems. Then a concept came to him that industrial AIPI to be born, and then only he talked to all of us. And we are all founder members. He is the founder general secretary. And that is the origin. I think many of us knows that is the origin by which things could come to this shape now. Now that our organization is a very big one from 1985, it has run till 2020. Through a lot of hurdles and difficulties, but it has never looked back to the problem. It has gone ahead and has come to a shape where so many top dignitaries of the world as well as of our country are able to congregate and throw deliberations which are of very useful to the industries as well as to the human being in general. I'm very happy to be invited, and I am really thankful and grateful to all the participants, including the chairman, Dr. Pati, and the chief guest, and the two army top personalities at the General Baldia and the Brigadier Raju, M.S.V.K. Raju. Those have been very keen and keen with me. And Javed Saab has been very kind to come from all World Psychiatric Association. That means we have a respect and prestige now, because industrial psychiatry this time, because in this session, Javed Saab in Bangladesh International Conference. However, I only want to submit my humble submission of gratefulness, because it's a pleasure. Our cooperation is a pleasure, and our love for the society is no measure. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much, sir. It was so nice of you to be here. I invite now Dr. Amrit Patajoshi, organizing secretary of the event, for a vote of thanks. Dr. Amrit, please.
Thank you, Dr. Alim. Yeah. I would like to, first of all, thank Dr. Brigadier Raju, sir, the president of the AIPI. Sir, in spite of, let me be very honest, in spite of all the personal tragedies, he has been absolutely brilliant in the way he has handled anything. He'll just give a call. And my heartfelt thanks to Dr. Raju, and it's from within, sir. We all learn from the way how you can handle your own, crisis and be absolutely different in the way you handle all of us. Thank you so much, sir. Major P.S. Vadlia, sir, the chief guest of the inaugural ceremony. Thank you so much for your kind words, for gracing the occasion. Afzal, sir, who always there. I think sometimes he's president of the World Psychiatry Association as well as one of the guiding lights of Indian Psychiatric Society. He never says a no, that speaks highly of a man who is so big that he can come down to us and always be with us. Thank you so much, sir, for teaching us how to be a true leader, sir. And Soma madam, I was so happy to know that she's from Odisha. She has been director of NALCO, which is very, very close to my heart. SAIL. Thank you, madam, for telling us how this whole scenario of human resources has developed, how important it is to take care of stress, and how stress has become so important in the current present scenario. It's the most used term nowadays when we talk of individuals and organizations. Thank you so much for coming and in these difficult times and spending your valuable time with us. Gopalkar sir, he always, you'll be amazed with his vocabulary, the way he can handle everyone, how down to earth he is. And look at his shirt, he looks so handsome in his shirt. Thank you so much, sir, coming and enlightening us with your kind words. Next is, I would always like to thank Dr. My empathy for Bhushan sir, who is not here today. I wish him a very, very speedy recovery. He was supposed to join us, but he could not. Last but not the least, Dr. Vatve sir. Again, he's so young, he's so energetic. He always gives you that energy that yes, you can always be with everybody. You can be the guiding force. You can be humble with all the knowledge with him. Thank you so much, Vatve sir, for coming with us. We also have Dr. Dalal, our president. Thank you, Dr. Dalal sir, for gracing the occasion. Dr. Gautam sir, who had been bugging me for the last 10 minutes. Amrit, send me the link. I'm not able to join. That is the passion we see in our leaders. Thank you so much, Gautam sir, for coming in.
Thank you.
Dr. Tufan sir. If ever you want to see an organizer, it is Dr. Tufan sir. Any problem you have, just a phone call. We'll just tell Amrit, relax. So he is the brain, he is the body, he is the everything of this whole function. He's done everything possible. We are just names. And he just told me just tell thank you at the end. Thank you so much for giving me a chance to tell thank you. All the board members of AIPI, the delegates, the organizing committee, we have many people who are in the forefront. The master of ceremony, Dr. Alim Siddiqui, who looks as handsome as he can. Today is the best he has ever looked. Thank you so much. Thank you, Pallavi. Thank you, sponsors. Thank you all. I wish you have a wonderful, we have a wide, plethora of speakers. We'll be speaking on brilliant topics. I hope you all come and enjoy this. We have a very good virtual platform today. You can go to, stalls, you can get gifts, you can get everything. Thank you so much. Please join in. Please stay tuned. Till then, all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everybody.